Hi everyone, it's Jess with Kinderstampo, and today I'm going to show you a really quick tip. I know a lot of us are really used to doing this white faux stitching on our cards, and that's really simple to do. All we do is we get a white jelly roll pen and we just do some little dash marks and we get this effect. However, I want to show you a quick way to do some actual stitching with some simple products, and you won't need to do the faux stitching because it will actually be a stitched effect without having to take out your sewing machines. So let me show you what you need and we'll get started. You'll need any piece of cardstock, works well on any piece of paper. You can use chipboard, doesn't really matter, just any kind of material. You'll need your Tim Holtz ruler. You'll need the Tonic piercer, which is also by Tim Holtz. A pair of scissors. Some twine or some heavy thread works really well. You'll need some needlepoint needles and a foam base. So any foam base works well. So let's put these things to the side and I'll show you really quick how this will work. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your cardstock or whatever material you're working on, you're going to lay it on top of your foam board. You're then going to take your Tim Holtz ruler. What you'll notice is that wherever you want to put this, there is a center point on this ruler. So you can start it off by putting it on the 0 mark, and that'll make sure that your stitching is where you'd like it to be. You'll then go ahead and take your Tonic Studio piercing tool here and just open it up like that. And then I like to start in the center. We'll go ahead and pierce one hole, and then I'm going to do it every 1/4 of an inch. So there's one hole there, and just continue on the 1/4 inch mark. So notice that there's these really clean, crisp 1/4 inch marks on here, and you're just basically piercing into the foam board. And then you can do it on the other side as well. Super simple. Okay, so now we have a pierced line that looks like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your needlepoint needle and you're going to thread your twine through it. Again, you can use any type of thread you like. I just happen to like using the twine for this example, so we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so sorry, my nails are a little long, so it's a little harder for me to thread. So then you just pull it in like this. You'll have one piece that's hanging. You don't need to do a double, and then your other piece. We'll go ahead and cut a piece off of here. Then what you're going to do is you're not going to start on the first hole, you're going to start on the second hole. So grab your needle and put it through the back of your project like this, and you're going to pull it through. Make sure that you pull it through as far as there's a little piece of thread hanging in the back, so you can just hold on to that. Then you're just going to proceed to put your needle through the first hole, so the hole right before the second. And then you're going to stick your needle through the third hole. So you're going to go back through the back and pull it through the front. And this is basically a back stitch technique. Works really well on paper. And then you'll go ahead and put it back through the second. So you're basically starting on the second hole. Then you're going to run your needle through the previous hole. And then we'll go in through the fourth. And then put our needle through the hole right in front of it. So this goes by really quick. A great way of stitching your cards without having to take out your sewing machines. Sometimes we like to add a lot of texture to our cards, and it's just really fun to add this special little effect without having to do the full stitching like we normally do, or without having to take out our sewing machines. So just continue all the way. You see how quickly this goes. And I just have 2 more to go. So again, put it through the back and then through the front on the hole previous to it. And there we go. We have one really straight, perfect stitched line that we did without having to take our sewing machine out. So the next thing we'll do is we'll just turn it around, snip this piece off, and that's it. It's perfectly secure on there. So then you can stamp it, ink it, do whatever you wish. Just use it as another embellishment on your cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip, and I look forward to sharing new ideas with you guys soon. Thanks for watching.